O Mama Mary, I pray to you to intercede for all those who have been trapped in various problems, difficulties, and in situation which is very critical and they cannot handle the situation at the present moment. My Lord and my God, I pray to the intercession of your Holy Mother to intervene in their life, Lord, in their situation and circumstances, Lord. Deliver them, Lord, and help them to come out of this situation which they are unable to handle. Mama, intercede for us, intercede for them. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you amongst women, and blessed the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and in the hour of our death. Amen. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you amongst women, and blessed the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and in the hour of our death. Amen. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you amongst women, and blessed the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and the hour of our death. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for hearing my prayer. Thank you, Mama, for interceding for us.